Have you ever felt like your time and effort is just wasted on straight natural hair in the Caribbean, or if you live in a humid environment? Definitely check out this video to see some of my really easy tips that you could incorporate into your straight hair routine to make it worth your while. As you guys could see, after a week, and this is a personal record by the way, even when I've had my hair professionally straightened by a stylist, I actually did it myself this time and it is lasting way longer and looking way better than when I had a professional do it. So there are definitely a few things that I did differently this time around when I straightened my hair, and we're gonna get into that right now. You may be watching this video and thinking to yourself, but your hair isn't straight. Yeah, but when you have fine natural hair, straight hair just does not look good on you. It looks too thin and just lifeless. So I like to keep some body and some bounce and a little bit of a curl in it. And that is what I've been doing for the entire week, but we'll talk about all of that later on. So one of the key tips to keeping your natural hair straight starts way before you even pick up the flat iron. It starts in the shower. And you guys would have seen, if you saw my previous video where I actually straightened my hair, you guys would see that I used the ORS Olive Oil Moisture Restore Creamy Aloe Shampoo, and this shampoo is amazing at getting your hair clean without stripping it. I used to use this on my relaxed hair, and apparently it's amazing on natural hair as well. And after you make sure that you cleanse your hair of everything, because you don't want your hair to be weighed down, you want it to have movement, you want it to have body, you want to go in with a really good deep conditioner. And this deep conditioner is amazing. I loved it for my relaxed hair and it works really well on my natural hair as well. Having a really good deep conditioner is so important, because if your hair is moisturized from the get-go, it won't be searching for moisture in the atmosphere, which is going to cause frizz. So you want to make sure that you get a deep conditioner that you really love, and ensure that you deep conditioner with heat so that your hair gets the maximum moisture possible. So we have already gone into the shower, we've shampooed, we've deep conditioned, all of that good stuff. We're now on to styling, and before we style, you're definitely going to want to use a really good leave-in conditioner. This was the first time I used this particular leave-in conditioner to style my hair in a straight style, and I absolutely love it. It is amazing. It is the Ren Pure Professional Leave-In Conditioner, and this stuff it felt good on my hair going on, and you guys could see all of my thoughts on it on the actual straightening video. But it's thin enough that it's not going to weigh down my hair, because you don't want like stiff, dull, lifeless hair. It was really good to get you a really good thin leave-in conditioner. You don't want anything too heavy, again, like I said, that's going to weigh your hair down. So the last product you're going to want to use before you actually go ahead and blow dry or flat iron your hair is a heat protectant. I use the Mixtress Mega Sleek heat protectant. It is an iron smoother, and this stuff, when I tell you it made my hair so smooth after the blow drying process, again I will link that video so you guys could see what that process was like and what my hair looked like. But this was really good at both protecting my hair and making it super straight, even from the blow drying process. Now, if you are attempting to get straight hair, it is so important to make sure that you use your flat iron on a high heat. I put mine all the way up to 400. Now, if you're somebody who's afraid of heat damage, this may not be for you, but I personally believe that it is better to flat iron your hair on a higher temperature and do fewer passes than it is to have a lower temperature and you get still like a fluffy result, or you have to go over it multiple passes. I just prefer going all the way up. My flat iron goes all the way up to 400. I took it all the way up and did one pass on my hair, a nice slow pass. You need to use very thin slices of hair. It is going to take a long time. It probably took me 2 to 3 hours to do my entire hair from blow dry to flat iron, but it is so worth it to take really thin, paper thin sections, go really slow with your flat iron, and also you doing the chase method actually helps because the fine tooth comb is able to spread out the hairs so that when you flat iron passes on it, it gets your hair super sleek and straight. And that is exactly what you're going after. So I was able to get my hair super straight using those products and that technique, and what I was able to do to maintain it. Now usually I'm able to get straight hair, but it never lasts beyond 2 days. So I was super surprised that I was able to get these results. And what I think one of the things that definitely helped me is this product. This is the Brilliance hairspray. I have never used hairspray on my natural hair ever, but this stuff, amazing. It was literally like $20 in Pennywise, so I was like, you know what, even if it doesn't work, it's $20, whatever. But this made the biggest difference ever. It says that it is weatherproof, so it's able to shield your hair from the humidity, and I really do believe that this was a game changer for me in terms of maintaining my hair straight. I wore my hair out almost every single day. I think there were 2 days that I just kept it in flexi rods, but all of the other days that I wore my hair, I wore it out, just like how you see me wearing it now, for the entire day, from like morning when I left to go to work till the night time when I was ready to wrap it back up into the flexi rods. But this stuff really does help to protect your hair from the humidity, and I would definitely recommend this. All I did was, after I took my hair down like it is now, I held it away from my hair and I did a nice little spritz, and it really holds the curl in place. It protects your hair from the humidity, all of that good stuff. So I would have worn my hair straight for the first few days. It was just starting to get a little bit dry, and it's going to get the moisture, like I said before, from the deep conditioner and the leave-in conditioners that you use that infuse that moisture in the styling process. Now, what I did coming down to the last 3 or 4 days of me wearing my hair straight is that I used the Kiki Ever Naturals Shea Mint Chuffy Twist Butter. So yeah, I took the tiniest bit of the stuff. Like, you do not need a lot. It is very concentrated. But I took the tiniest bit, emulsified it between my fingers, and ran it through the length of my hair on a particular section that I'm working on. You guys will see, like, immediately the difference is astounding. It took away all of the frizz and made my hair super soft. And you would think that putting a butter in my hair would make my hair like oily and really greasy and really weighed down, but as you could see, it is still very flowy, it is still very bouncy. I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. So yeah guys, that is literally all I did to maintain my hair. Every single night before I went back to sleep, that was my nighttime routine. Put my hair back up in the flexi rods, put back on my bonnet, and the next day take down my hair, fluff, separate as I desire, and out the door. That is literally it. So yeah guys, that is how I'm able to maintain my straight and natural hair for over a week in Caribbean humidity during the rainy season. Personal record for me. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this. I hope you got some tips and tricks for a straight hair routine and how to maintain your straight hair on a nightly basis throughout the week or the weeks that you choose to wear your hair straight. So if you've gotten to this point of the video and you're not yet subscribed, sis or sir, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss future uploads. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the very next video. Take care. Bye.